Hi guys, my name is Kayla Rundle, and right now we're at Scottsdale Restorations because we are going to be gutting and redoing my stock interior on my 2013 Camaro SS. So let's go get started on it. All right, we have gutted my entire Camaro interior. So let's quickly go through this. I had to pull off nearly every single panel. This is the rear paneling that we pulled apart because we are gonna be doing a custom paneling in the back seat to enclose it from the trunk area. And we had to take all the rear paneling off because, as you can see, there was some subs underneath here. So we had to access those. And you can see the old subs and speakers that are well over 10 years old now, and we will be replacing these with a new setup, which we will show you guys in a minute. And the OEM doors are also getting a new speakers in the front here by your foot area. And we're gonna be doing a special something on the kick panel area of these seats, so stay tuned for that. So let's get started in the interior and start installing the boom mat. First things first, to lay down this sound dampening, I'm just using a fresh microfiber so that ensures the adhesive will stay on. Make sure they're all going the same direction. Okay, we're moving on to my Camaro door. On the door, we installed the boom mat sound dampening. That will reduce vibrations and help with like where the sound of the speakers are directed in the vehicle. And we did line the entire back seat with that same boom mat because there's a lot of exhaust vibrations, especially with those subs. It's gonna get crazy back there.
This is where I put in the custom lower door panel kick area. Made a panel where it fits this factory body line, recessed these rings in, gave it a little bit of a pitch so we have some sound direction in the car. And right now, I'm just making sure that everything fits properly, 100%, and I'm happy with my gaps, so.
Beautiful custom panel right here, made out of wood, and he hand sanded all those edges.
It's all hand shaped.
That speaker's bigger than factory, so we did have to cut out the door a bit.
Yep.
That door panel he just showed you, that is going to be installed on the door here, and they're going to be mirrored perfectly on both sides with a nice painted finish on that piece.
We did a full custom one-off job, built a nice little ring that sits around the speaker so we could give it a little bit of an angle instead of the factory set. We also color matched the upper part so that it gives it a real factory feel in the car.
All right, it is time to wire in the speakers slash subs for the rear. These are the 6x9 Kenwoods. So I did install the front center channel, which is a tiny little speaker in there, and we did reuse the factory bolts for that system, and then the grille is also factory, so we keep that OEM look and finish in the vehicle. The rear tray, we had to pull that out, replace the two 6x9 speakers, and then put the tray back, so again, keeping the OEM look. I do have to install the A-pillar, the headliner, and the C-pillar. That's all wrapped in Alcantara in the car soon, so stay tuned for what's coming next in the rear.